What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. And basically, what I'm seeing is, the market obviously hit resistance and started fading, and then obviously gapped down. So the market gapped down. The SPY gapped down to what, 437. The Qs gapped down to about 364.59. But basically, what I'm noticing on the SPY is, look, on the daily, we came up here, rejected off 444 flat, kind of like a double top. Look, 1, 2, and reject. Ever since then, we've kind of been like fading a little bit. We did try to bounce, but rejected again and gapped down. However, we gapped down to 437, and it looks like the market is trying to bounce. So I wouldn't be surprised if we trade within this range, at least for the next couple days, like 437 up to 444 or so. Maybe play the ranges in between. Looks like we have a couple levels here. We have 439.75 or so. I'd be looking at that as a level, 439.75. Obviously, if we start trending up, look for that to be resistance or a place to take profits, maybe 438.50s or so. Another spot. But again, I wouldn't be surprised if we trade within this range here. Again, 437 up to 444. Now, what I will say is if we happen to go ahead and break down 437, then obviously the market would be breaking down. It'd probably be time to think about maybe trying to fade. And if that is the case, I'd probably be looking at 435 as a major support, and obviously a place to take profits if you happen to find yourself fading in the event that we break down 437. But as of now, it looks like we're actually bouncing, and I'm kind of looking at some of these small caps and mid caps, such as Palantir. Everything kind of gapped down with the market, but a lot of these are already recovering, such as Palantir, Carvana. Look, this thing barely gapped down. Oh my God. Actually, Carvana is looking super interesting here. Remember, I said it was looking squeezy. And look, we got up to almost $30 again, hit a double top up here, and rejected again. However, the market gapped down. Carvana did not. And this is looking very interesting, and looks like it is possibly looking to start squeezing to the upside. I believe Carvana is a squeeze play. So obviously keep this thing on your radar, especially seeing what it did the last trading period, running from about 24.25 up to almost $30 in one trading session, and didn't hardly give anything back. So this thing's going to get interesting right here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we short squeeze up. But just trying to go over the market really quick. Lucid, another one looking super bullish, gave back some, but barely nothing, and is keeping the uptrend alive. Obviously, ChargePoint gap down with the market. Riot, another one looking super bullish the last trading period, and hasn't given anything back. Basically, looks like Mara did actually give more back than Riot did. However, it did hold this higher low at 1550s. Which is actually a major level off the daily, was acting as resistance, now is acting as support. But remember, I did say I was liking Riot a little more than Mara, and now you can see why. This thing's looking super strong. Another one that's interesting, Hut 8, a little cheaper play, but still, that's like your poor man's Mara or Riot, but still giving you decent range and trending up with the other ones. Again, it's all about relationship. But again, just wanted to kind of check out the markets real quick before market open. And again, the overall market is gapping down. However, kind of looking like it wants to recover. But what I will say is it looks like we will be trading within a range from 437 to 444. In the event that we break down 437, look to fade down to 435. If we do not break down 437, look for us to trend up, possibly to at least 439.50s, 442.50, obviously 444. But again, I do believe we trade within this range, 437 to 444. But just be prepared for the breakdown of 437 if things get bearish. Again, don't anticipate it. Wait for confirmation. But again, just watch the price action. But again, it's your boy Aegis coming at you with some finance solutions. I was just trying to touch base with you guys before market open. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Again, I am running a special where you go ahead and subscribe and gain access to my Discord and the daily morning briefing and watch list. Go ahead and sub and hit me up in my Discord for access to the daily morning briefing. Peace.